YouTube channel, and I'm Miss Spiritu Vasquez. And for today's session, I'll be showing you on how to cut the material using the continuous collar with the scallop neckline. And before anything else, I would like to show you on how to mark the back dart on the back bodice pattern. Okay, let's get started. Basic from the bust distance, so I'm going to put 7.5 for the bust distance, so you are going to measure 3 3/4 here. So from the edge of this one to 3 3/4, mark here on the lower part also. And then you have to project this 2 marks here. Okay, then just get at least 6.5 or 6 inches from this lower part to here also. 1 inch here, there. So the half will go to the other side and half will go to the from the other side. Okay, you're going to place your pattern on top of the fabric and then measure 2 inches from the selvage to this edge of your pattern paper. You're going to cut the selvage later, okay, here, and then you must check it here on this part also. So you need to trace around this, trace on, okay. Then you cut. On this area, you're going to leave 3/8. Then this part, I'm not going to cut it that way. Like, I'm going to fold it here first. There. And then cut it here. Leave 3/8. Okay. Then on this area, leave 1/2 inch here. Then here 1/2 inch. Here 3/8. Then here 1 inch. You have to cut this one at the corner. So this is now your front. See? This part must follow the shape. That's why I didn't cut it that way. I didn't cut it straight here. I folded it this area. Okay? And we will be getting a facing here later on. I'll be showing you later. Okay? Now I need to transfer this mark here. Now this is the back. I'm going to trace around this pattern here to mark on the cloth. Leave 3/8 here for the allowance. Then 1 inch on the shoulder. 3/8 here. inch on the side. Then 1/2 inch here at the hemline. There. Now I'm going to cut the facing of this front. You make the facing until here, this line, okay? And I want that the facing will come until there, here, for the front, okay? Now I'm gonna cut the sleeves. You remember that I didn't cut the allowance here for the front because I want to show you to cut it on the fabric. I'll just trace this one now to get one piece. I didn't put an allowance here because I need to put something to fold here. Just leave 1/2 inch here. Okay, then get the other piece. Then open and put right side together. Then you take off until this part. It must be like this. I'll get that piece here. I'll cut 4 inches wide. Then you have to base the length of this one with the bottom of your sleeve. Okay, just cut it until here. You have just seen on how to cut the fabric using the pattern of continuous collar with scallop neckline. Please like and share, and if you wish to have an online tutorial, please send message to my Facebook account, being Lendarvic Bascos, and those who would like to have a face-to-face tutorial, please send message to my WhatsApp account 009715451311654 for those who are living here in UAE, particularly here in Dubai. Okay, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so that you'll get notified when I upload my next video. Thank you for watching and keep learning. God bless.